Okay, we will go somewhere to eat our lunch because it's already 3 p.m. and we are not yet eating lunch until this time. So now I will go at I think I will go to the mall to eat my lunch. So I will look the food stall to eat. Okay, so later. Bye bye. Okay, now I eat different, not chicken, but I eat here in KFC. So this is what they call Jimat Padu curry. So egg, chicken chunks, and curry with rice. Okay. So ayan po siya. With Coca-Cola, the price is 14.39. Okay, let's eat. Egg, chicken. This is my food for today. And this is the curry. Let's try. Just try only. Tastes like that. Same as curry chicken only. So this is the chicken. The chicken is tender. It's good. It's good for the price. And this is the egg. Good. Egg, curry sauce, and chicken. It's good. Here in Malaysia, when you eat in sorry. Pag kumain ka dito sa KFC, McDonald's, or whatever, wala silang gravy. Tsaka, ang karamihan sinasagbos ng mga chicken dun sa online nila ordering, puro spicy. Yeah. Malaysians are spicy eater. Chicken is good. And this is the potato of the curry. The egg yolk. Egg yolk. Chicken. So I'm almost done with my food. Or already almost finished. Only chicken left, so bye.